hi Vatsonga va ka hina ni n'wi cheka tin'wana mi nga ta kuma mi langusana na kandziyiso lowani i Manyangadzi The Khomisa as usual. So loko nga se subscribe I think ni xivula ra 100 subscribe kwalaho loko u to press na button leri notify loko ro subscribe loko mina kalo for I for me is YouTube and for me YouTube. However namuntlha hi la ku vulavula hi the leaders of Xitsonga music. Ku hi nga tlheleli ngopfu le lavele kule ka sungula 2010 2011 to until 2020 cause sweswani heta decade n'wanyana. So la ni famba na Skheto Collins mfana loyi a nga tshama a va na xikulu i reach a million visitors a month a nga ya monopolize gang. Anyway, say I'm we're gonna talk about who's leading. Firstly, vocally. So then you get a gang kari. Ya ku generalize. Ani gangerism the one.
Okay, as I will in this Manyangadzi, Lavalabla is Skheto Collins Kambul. And my bitla manga passing the Guam. Okay. Namutla Kasakaseli Shila Balabla Shona, Valabla music like as general West song. Kore ebu mani lava vafamba kumashweni. So in short, who are leading Xitsonga music. So mavito itamavula yes mara kakarose ifumile kore ingavula mavito itavulavula ebu mani ku ya hi tinsimu leti tinga tlangwa ngopfu and must tiva ku hitile ti nga ti tlanga kun'wini. So ni kombela mi subscribe ka channel ya Manyangadzi The Khomisa, not the commissioner, The Khomisa.
It's Khomisa.
Okay, actually it's Khomisa, but yeah na aku ni vula it's Khomisa. In Portuguese it's Khomisa, but
so mama ningena mina ke the first artist le inga inevitable ku leading music Xitsonga Benny. The reason why I'm saying Benny is because Benny changed the game. Loko Benny ngani xingena hi 2011 people thought General Muzka. The reason why they thought General Muzka is because ka Vatsonga munhu loyi a swi ta man vocally ingozi ku General Muzka. So I see you so kambe nga va no n'wanyani a nga swi kota ku swilo leswiwani instead of Benny
General Muzka instead of General Muzka.
So my second artist is you know regardless ya ku mfana wanga lethu ka mina would like to disagree with me. However, Inisi has changed the game. Inisi has changed the game and has made a lot of youngsters lava batlanga music at this stage. But which is that music wo shigaza I remix ukona. And you can make higher rotation from that. So that's why I'm selecting Inisi. And Inisi answers a mantrash door. The last person doing a lot of vocal ungozi. Allow me to say Okwani Sharma. You know, for Joe instead of regardless Yaku is a producer. He's been there for years. Now we imbelela was caught. And Kokombo imbelela was caught. Umani Skheto I imbelela album ka nkomela ku nga vuli ka studio swin'wana swin'wanyana ivi se mi n'wi teka mi n'wi faka ka studio xa Joe mi ta swi twa ku misa lowani a nga swi kota ku yimbelela. So Joe is a good coach vocally and also is a very good vocalist.
Okay, all right. So Manyangadzi vulavulini. So hi ku ya mina the first person we alidaku instrumentally, vocally and what instrumentally, vocally and everything.
Lyrical.
I can't really say lyrically because the shimbelela ashi yiku asharanda or whatever mara loko munhu a nghena ka risimu ni a ni tiku ni ta ku swi tala yini loko u nghena ni nge vuli ku ri a ni swi tivi ku yini loko u kota ku nghena ka team ku na ku kota ku yimbelela munhu komba hi lyrical ne Dumisani Baloyi ne munhu a nga ku trending namuntlha Dumisani Baloyi is one of the best hi ku tsala lyrically is good very good na loko a yimbelela is very good but anga fambi na instrument mara hi ku yimbelela ne is very good. I can guarantee and I can bet on that. It's very good mara anga fambi na instrument. That's why ni chava ku vula ku ri lyrical. Okay, lexi humelelaku Ben Mayengani is the first person hi ku ya hi mina hi yena number 1. Then now number 2 so u ri i Hennessy. So mina ni ta ku Hennessy ni kombela ku n'wi vuyisa nyana ka number 3 hi ku ya hi mina. Number 2 i Josh Rimani. Josh Rimani misalo ya okay kokwani vitana kokwani yi nyikiwini i blind swinene ya kota ku ngeka risimu rin'wana na rin'wana irrespective ku ri chawe hi mambawulelo or hi rhangani or whatever hi yona or mani ya kota ku nghena swi fambelana. So Hennessy loko ni n'wi nyika beat ya Xitsonga yi nga chayiwa hi producer yin'wana na yin'wana maybe ni kombela ku dropa vito i chawe hi hangalasa no kombisa tsatsa ya tsutsuma ya rasa Hennessy a nga yimbeleli beat yaleyo mara loko no Bojo hele risimu kokwani yimbelelana yi ta ri nghena i jazz
Isiyawa ngakombela miyela da please, sorry for being unprofessional. Isiyawa ngakombela miyela itirhisa phone da so phone surely that catch at voice tamwita.
Okay, so na ya mahlweni loko Bojo o nghena ni ka risimu leri i gospel i reggae i yini yi ta nghena ri tshama na voice swi komba ku ri a yi ku instrumental swi njhani. So Bojo ni rate number 2 hi ku loko wo yi byela ku yimbelela yini ya swi kota. So Bojo leswi ni ngo yi leka swona i maproducer ya nsimu unlike Ben Mayengani ni kota ku producer tla yimbelela. So Bojo loko wo yi producela wena ku Bojo yimbelela ni i Sukuma Nyangazi yi ta ku endlela risimu hi Sukuma Nyangazi mara loko nga yi byela ku yini yi ta ta na swin'wana ku hashtag no kombela no kombisa hashtag hina trenda n'wino like hi leswi fambelanga nkarhi wolowo mara a swi nga fiti ku swi va risimu mara hi ta endla ku swi va risimu swi nandziha. So la ka music kahle hi nga yi ngopfu ku phikizana mara a hi i mani loyi a yimbelelaka swilo leswi vanhu va swi rhandzaka ende swi nga na mongo. So ni kombe ku vulavula hi un'wana ka ku number 3 before nyika Hennessy a ni ta nyika Mr Post cut album ta yena ya last year na this year u hi proveni ku a nga swi kota ku a yimbelela.
Ayiwa nga swi kota ku yimbelela. Mr Post got was kota ku yimbelela and it's not from last year. It's from the album after 10 not. So I would really because I don't know the little one mara wona na ri khomi i Masimo Muti. I mean no more but then mina then gang me. So I will continue. Let's talk about instrumental. When I lava me never respect up with instrumental. The first person who I rate is Slika. Why and rate Slika? You know, from the moment that man amazing, and it's never stopped releasing hits. Samashima Daman has been releasing hits. So even she saw it there are countless hits. Let's look instrumentally. This guy Electro is leading, and this is the very same thing. They should have run another pep in terms of this guy should have commercialized electronic through Karwanga. That's look Abba. So this is my first producer. Then moto mina instrumentally. I gang. So number two, it's Tim Sherman. You know the one thing about Tim Sherman ever since 2015, Langoma album, Lia Yang Rangura. These guys have been creative. These guys have been the best in the team. Look, was a bashangana baraba and wow. What it was the touches that one and know with the BT family kombe when you got a BT when for example release gonna popo pom pom popo popo pom 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 nana go pozane fambo popo but go for my guys and so na ngeni nyiki na studio man la go kuna roya guys and so na Josh man akuna same sound lily da akuna core instrument. These guys are genius. Then my last person when for kunimfaka instrumentally it's all Maka. You know the reason why I love
that's the best guy.
The reason why
best
I love
producer ever.
the reason why I love Sondia
It's
Soul Makam,
lyrically,
it's unique.
voice and
It's
everything.
It's unique.
It's one of the best.
It's unique. It's unique and yeah.
Sorry, I know imelela soli so like okay, if family yamena soli loko ku nhlashongo sheko mani mara Soul Makam is one of the best producer and in terms of lyrically, instrumentally and vocally, like that guy it's one of the best because
vocally
okay what up kwenta ka ni Soul instrumental loko byala ku ri loko ku tlanga risimu hi laha nga ko kha ri tlanga ta ku byala ra Soul Makam because the instrument ya yena a nga ti cinci ngopfu
and timanga ta nga cinci ngopfu
ku famba hi touch ya yena no leswi na ku byela swona
album ya Dr. Thomas Chauke loko yo huma
ya swi ta ku Thomas Chauke
hambi yo hambi ku nga ri tirhisimu ku ri mara
swi bayisisi vanhu vo tala loko ku ta humesa Siya Chauke nkarhi wun'wana ku dokodela ku humesa
loko hambanyiseni sound ya Soul na ya gang leyo u vona sound ya wo Bini na wo Joe. It's very simple to spot ku mnandi it's simple loko siri ya va ku ngoma leyi ta dlaya vala wa stop sweswi
mara sometimes nga byela ku Bini loko u va hambanyisa.
No, listen to my point. My point is Nzumba, it's much more simpler to spot because Nzumba loko uyisa sound uyisa na baseline uyisa na yini but then loko yi langusa music wa Soul Makam just look we saw you don't really have to bring back the beat but at the chords but anyways most of in I think we will do part 3 of this one itlanga minutes ngani so 12 minutes so ingali ngade Soul Makam ngade Soul Makam
okay but Soul lexi yi ntsakisa ku xona I ku yi tena that thing ya yona la and they luckily famba hi xona na sweswi I 2020 mara ya famba hi that thing ya xona ku na track rin'wana nga huma khale se hi cina na wa khambule I risimu ra le gigi no not because mara ngoma mi subscribe ka manyanga ta vulavula swo tala hi Soul Makam
part 2 because we have fixed the part of the vocal ones see ngari genge la hi twini Masimamoti. So I'm gonna move. So from the part 2 le ngata itisa itaba ikhaya vulavula hi the instrumental part why the very same way le ngendrisa sona the vocal one but then subscribe button me tiphina me ti something nhlekete ya clean loko ri kumbexana u vona nga ri swin'wana sort of content just enjoy it's part of content content
if you twa ku vanhu va twa Masimamoti you can say that on that comment and ta twa n'wina ni kombela before manyanga ta huma wa hi misayitini lexi humelelaka me ni mi byela ku subscribe ani ka subscribe and kombela ku yi vula kahle than manyanga ntsele swa nga vula swona it's a subscribe kombela mi subscribe ka channel ya Manyanga the Komisa igenge it's not it's a Komisa no let me just say Komisa because what stop wine plus and nga aguwa hi ku bitu to man mara nkomela this guy angola bokufuma
etimhaka ta YouTube go
all right sharp attention
Bien, bravo.
Ay, wena kama.
Oh, no.